Okay, YouTubers, I just wanted to show you that that smoking is gone. I just wanted to do a video because yesterday I posted one and I didn't realize I had I deleted the video I had done showing you my adaptations anyway. So if you go to live data, you press enter just to show you the values, and I just need to go to the oxygen sensors. Let me use the other hand, and we want to look at the O2 sensors. 1, 2. We can select all, actually. Select all, and then view data. I think I made a mistake on one of my videos. Anyway, before cat, there should be like 2, or they should be in unison, right? So 2, you can see that. So the value should be the same, or around about the same in unison. And let's just show you. That's and then that was before cat. Before cat is 2, and after cat is 0.8, 0.8, and you can see they're in unison. And then they go off, and then they come back. to being in unison. Yeah. See? Yeah. And there's no check engine light. I've just been raving it coming here, so I need to get gas. I got like 18 miles of gas. But so I think on one of my videos, the bank 1 after cat was like 1.1, which is wrong. It was erratic. There's too high a voltage. It should be less than 1. And then 0.8, 0.8 is the same. So that fixed the check engine light, as you can see. So everything is running well, and as you saw, there's no more smoke. Sometimes when sensors go off, it also affects the fuel adaptation, and the car pumps too much gas to compensate, and some of that burns gas turns out as smoke in the back. So there you go, folks. YouTube, another case.